Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to conclude the revision of NPO. In relation of NPO, as already I have been telling to you that the transactions and the operations of NPO are different from profit-making organizations. So their records are also different. So at the end of the year, as I have told you, that receipt and payment account is made, income and expenditure account is made, and balance sheet is made. This receipt and payment account is a real account which records all revenue and capital items on cash basis. This receipt and payment account is made with the help of 12 cash book transactions or recordings. This is the summary of 12 cash book. This receipt and payment account is started with the opening balance of cash and bank balance, and it closes with the closing balances of cash and bank balances. And surely this receipt and payment account shows the complete incomes, and complete means receipts and payments which are made throughout the year. With the help of this receipt and payment account, we make the income and expenditure account. Just you recall that income and expenditure account is a nominal account. It is made on accrual basis and it records only the revenue items, so revenue expenses and revenue incomes. This income and expenditure account is not started with any opening balance, but it is concluded with the closing balance, that is known as a surplus or deficiency. Surplus is one way looking is equal to the net profit, but it is not the net profit, because the purpose of NPO is not to earn the profit. Rather, if there is excess of income over expenses, there is surplus. If there is excess of expenses over incomes, there is a deficiency. Then only after income and expenditure account, we make the balance sheet. Now the question is, what is balance sheet? Balance sheet is the same thing which we have learned in the previous chapters or in class 11th. This balance sheet records the various assets and various liabilities with the capital fund. This way the records of non-profit making organizations are concluded. Few things I want to focus, that there are some capital incomes, or you may say receipts, which you have to identify very well. One is known as a legacy, which will be recorded on the liability side, not in income and expenditure account. Life membership fee, or like some specific donation. These are those incomes which are rarely received, and they are treated as a capital income. Likewise, there may be some capital expenses, any fixed assets is purchased or any investments are made, they are treated as a capital expenses and they are shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. So this way we come to a conclusion after learning some specific items of NPO and learning that what is receipt and payment account, what is income and expenditure account, and how they are made. Balance sheet is made in the same way. So income means this NPO, this chapter, always remember, carries 10 marks, and in 10 marks there will be one question of 1 mark, one question of 3 marks, and one question of 6 marks. So this chapter you prepare well in the light of its weightage.